Samsung Galaxy home screen landscape mode not working. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to rotate your home screen in the landscape mode, then here's how you can enable it and use this feature. Super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so not to enable the landscape mode, all you have to do is just need to go and press and hold any empty area from your home screen, and this will give up a few different options. And from here, you just need to tap on the settings option at the bottom right. And from the home screen settings, you just need to scroll all the way to the very bottom, and you'll get to see the option called the rotate to landscape mode. You just need to enable this feature, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. You have one last setting that you have to do. You just need to swipe down from the very top and do it again, and you'll get to see the portrait option. This is actually the rotating feature. You just need to tap on these and make sure it's auto rotate, and once it gets selected, you're pretty much good to go. If I take my phone to the landscape mode, you'll get to see this will get into the landscape mode. Now you can easily use your home screen in the landscape mode. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.